Hi, this is Mrs. Kateman. I am here to talk to you about the project you're going to do today and next class time. So, what you're going to do is you're going to make a video describing to elementary school kids Newton's three laws of motion. So, what you're going to do is you're going to give a quick um, bit of information about Newton's first law, then you're going to do an example, Newton's second law, an example, Newton's third law, and an example. So this planning sheet that you're going to work on today, you can see here, what do you plan on doing for Newton's first law of motion? So maybe I'm going to decide that I want to do, how does Newton's first law apply to skiing? So this one wouldn't work really great at school because we don't have a ski hill and it's hard to have skis. So this is why I'm doing it as my example, and you should pick something that you could actually demonstrate at school. So maybe I'm looking here, I'm going to say, okay, what do I plan on showing for Newton's first law? I'm going to say, well, maybe I would show someone pizzaing to stop. Okay. So I would need my skis. Newton's second law of motion. I'm going to go through and show how if I push really hard, I'm going to go faster. But if I just go down the hill, I'm going to go slower. So more force made me go faster. So again, I need my skis in a hill. And my third law, I'm going to show that when I push my ski out to the left, I move to the right. So I need my skis again. So that's what I'm going to kind of make my plan. What am I going to talk about? That's what I'm going to write there. So you could pick anything else you want. You could do playing paper football. You could do soccer. You could bring in a basketball. You could make a paper airplane. You could do all sorts of different things. Would you see the three laws in something? And then you and your partner are going to kind of write your script. So you're going to say, hi, my name is Mrs. Kateman, and I'm here to explain Newton's laws. And I'd write that in my box here. And if you are working with other people, you decide who's going to say what. Then you're going to use your green packet and you're going to say, okay, Newton's first law of motion says, and then you'll say it in your own word. And then you're going to say, okay, well, now I'm going to show you how Newton's first law works. And I'm going to show you that when I'm skiing, I don't start moving until I push off. Okay, and that shows Newton's first law because, and then I would demonstrate that. Then I would say what Newton's second law is, and I'd show my example. Then I'd show Newton's third law. What is Newton's third law? I do my blue packet for this one, and then I'd say how I explain it. And hopefully by the end of class today, you will have your idea of what you're going to show. Very important to know what materials are you going to need on Thursday so that you can do this video. Miss Grant's going to show us how to do the video in the library on Thursday. So use your time wisely so that you can finish this.